Happy day everyone! Welcome to Chikaroda. Jodi Santa Maria, Raymart Santiago take care of pet bird George. Jodi Santa Maria has found a new hobby, training her boyfriend Raymart Santiago's pet George, a son Connor. On Instagram stories yesterday, October 4, Jodi shared a clip of herself training the pet bird. Although Raymart wasn't present nor mentioned in the Instagram story, Raymart's post from last September showed that George is actually one of his pet birds. Feeding time with hashtag George the Son Connor, he wrote in the caption of his Instagram post last September 20. Jodi and Raymart first went public about their relationship last October 1 when the actor confirmed the news to talent manager Noel Ferrer. Raymart then described his relationship with Jodi as masaya lang lahat in an exclusive interview with Pep published last October 2. Prior to their relationship, Jodi dated actor politician Jolo Revilla, while Raymart has been separated from ex-wife Claudine Barreto since 2014. Thanks for watching. Keep safe everyone. See you on my next chika.